Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, fourth period. My fourth period says hi. I'll say hi on their behalf. Today we're working on index practice and also match practice. So, for indexes, we just need to find the location and then yield a result. So to do that, you need to be sure you're in the Formulas tab. Go to Look Up in Reference. And this is index, array. Be sure to just choose the first one, first argument. The array will be the inside of the table, and I made a note for you to start with A2. It works better that way. For this row number, you'll type 1, and then for the column number, you'll type 1 because we want row 1 and column 1, and we should get the ID number. There's your ID number. Next, I'll show one where we'll have to figure out our rows and ID numbers ourselves. So that's Look Up in Reference, index, array and row, column numbers there. The array, start with the inside of the table, the first entry. Where is bananas located? Row number 1, 2, 3. 3. Column number 1, 2, 2, and then click OK. I'm asking for the price of bananas. I did it again. The price is in column, let's just erase and start over. Price of bananas. Look up reference, index, array row number, array. There we go. Row number 3, that was right, but the price is in column number 1, 2, 3. That's what we want, the price, which is in column number 3. Click OK, and now I have the price of bananas. Let's make that look like a price. There we go, we are good. Okay, I'll go ahead and end the